dreamed of creating the perfect pop idol? Design every detail. Bring your stars to life with a unique look and voice. Then enter the arena, competing against producers worldwide. But not every day is a win.
I'm Judge Quinn. That silhouette? Pure stardom. She owns the stage.
I'm Judge Mayfield. If this isn't top-tier idol energy, I don't know what is.
Share your star's journey and connect with a global community of fellow producers. This is where you become a team, talk, strategize, and bond with your idol, and rise stronger together. Your chance to become the ultimate pop idol producer. Your idol, your voice, your stage. Join now IdolCrush.ai.